In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-step verification on the Coinbase app. This process is quite simple and will significantly enhance the security of your Coinbase account, keeping your digital assets safe from unauthorized access. Let's walk through each step together so you can get set up with confidence. First things first, you'll need to open up the Coinbase app on your smartphone or navigate to the Coinbase website on your computer. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you have your login details handy, as this is necessary to access your personal settings. Now, once you're logged in, locate the settings option in the menu. This is typically found under a profile icon or a menu navigation bar, depending upon whether you're using the app or the website. Within the settings menu, you'll want to click or tap on security. This is where you'll find options to enhance the protection of your account. Moving on, within the security section, you should see an option labeled two-step verification, or sometimes referred to as enable two-factor authentication, usually shortened to 2FA. Click or tap on that option to proceed to the next step. Here you'll be presented with a choice of methods for your two-step verification. You can select either SMS or the authenticator app. While both methods offer added security, using an authenticator app is generally recommended. It's considered more secure because it generates a time-sensitive code that changes every 30 seconds, making it harder for anyone else to gain access. Once you've decided on the method that's right for you, follow the prompts that appear on your screen. If you've chosen SMS verification, you'll need to enter and verify your phone number. If you've opted for the Authenticator app, you will be prompted to scan a QR code. Open your chosen Authenticator app on your phone and use it to scan the QR code displayed on the Coinbase screen. After completing these steps, you should receive a verification code. This may arrive via SMS, or you will find it in your Authenticator app. Enter this code into the Coinbase app or website when prompted. This final verification ensures that everything has been set up correctly and securely. Congratulations, you have now enabled two-step verification on your Coinbase account. This means that for any future logins or security-sensitive actions, you'll be prompted to provide that additional verification, significantly lowering the risk of unauthorized access. Make sure to store any recovery codes or backup information in a safe place, just in case you need to recover your account at any point. And that's it for today. You've successfully locked in that extra layer of security on your Coinbase account.